everyone, how are you? This is Sony again. Now we are going to doing Algebra 1.6. I was going to do chapter 2, but someone requested 1.6 properties of multiplication and addition. She or he needs more practice, so I don't mind. Let's more practice about property of multiplication and addition. Okay, so I wrote these 1 through 12 the problems here. Look, complete the expressions in exercise using the given property. I didn't write the name of the property because I want you guys to remember. So whatever property of, if you see the addition, commutative property of addition. If you see the multiplication, commutative property of multiplication. Okay, so now look at the number 1. 7 plus 3. You see the two number, you see the addition, right? So you can switch thinking communication together. So it's going to be commutative property of addition. So to the right, that means a switch. 3 plus 7. It's equal. Okay? What kind of property is this? Commutative property of addition. Now number 2. Number 2, when you see the parentheses, I want you to thinking about associative. When you see the same operation, which is multiplication. If you see the parentheses, it's going to be associative property of multiplication. Okay, so just to change the parentheses, 6 and 9, right? This time 9 and 3. So 6 times, parentheses, 9, 3, this. Excuse me, Miss Tinkers, my cat. Okay, very loud, huh? Isn't she? So, Miss Sony, look at this, number 5. I see the parentheses. Is this associative? No, because it's not the same operation. This is a multiplication and addition together. It's going to be distributive properties. I told you that when you see the parentheses, it must be same operation. Addition, multiplication. Okay? Got it? Alright, let's go number 3. I see the two number communication, right? So, in the multiplication, so it's going to be commutative property of what? Multiplication. So 19 times 4, switch. 4 times 19. What kind of property is this? Commutative property of multiplication. Number 4. I see the two number. Commutative. Switch. So 18 5. So I'm going to 5 plus 18. Commutative property of addition. Good job. Now I see the parentheses, but there are two operations. Multiplication with over addition. 시끄러 죽겠네. Very noisy. Excuse me. Never perfect, right? Let's go. So what you do? 6 times 5, 6 times 8, and 8. Okay, 6 times 5, 6 times 8, that's equal. It's got to be distributive property. Okay, distributive property, two different signs. Number 6, 16 plus 9 plus 11. Three numbers, same operation, which is addition. If you see the parentheses, it's going to be associative properties. Say again, associative property, A, B, B, C. Okay, so 16 this time, 9, 11, right? So I'm going to read 16 and 9, parentheses. 16 9, 11. Associative property. Next one, 7. I see the multiplication. Oh, same operation with parentheses. Associative property of multiplication. Because 2 and 3 and x. Right? So 3 and x is a parenthesis this time. 2 times 3 and parenthesis multiplication. Associative must be same operation, okay? Let's go number 8. Can you see? Yeah, this is an old whiteboard. My husband cleaned for me, but it's pretty heavy. Behind is, guess what? Oops, pillow. 3 multiplication and addition. Oh, different sign with parentheses. Guess what? Distributive. D, different sign. D. So 3 times x, 3 times 5, it's gonna be with plus. So 3 times x plus 3. So 3 times 5, so which is 15. Okay, we don't have the parentheses, just the 3x. Okay? Next one, number 9. I see the parentheses all associated with same operation. Addition. Yes. So write down this time 3 plus x and then plus 7. Associative property of addition. Number 10, what is that? Multiplication, addition, different operations. It's gotta be distributive properties. Okay, so 9x plus 9 times 5, 45. Okay, now, what is that? 6 times 0 equals 0. Number times 0, always making 0. 0 factors log. Okay? 12. 6 times 1 is 6. 1 is what? Multiplicative identity. Yeah, multiplicative identity is 1. Additive identity is 0. Because 0 plus Sony is Sony. 0 plus U is U. Okay? So 0 is additive identity. 1 is multiplicative identity. Because Sony times 1 is Sony. U times 1, U. Okay, guys, so what do you think? So property of the real number, property of real numbers are pretty easy, and when you do equation solving problem, you need to know additive inverse, additive identity. Also, you will use a lot of distributive property. Okay, so guys, if you need more practice, please let me know, like today. So, if not, if not, next time we are going to continue to do chapter 2. It's gonna be fraction. I am very excited to teach chapter 2. I hope you guys too. Please think what? Positive. Stay healthy and stay happy. See you next time, guys. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.